thing. My name's Melody. I'm from Newport. I have really, really bad allergies and sinus issues, and standing here for the last 25 minutes, I can't.
Excuse me.
So like I was saying, my name is Melody, and I'm from Newport. I have really bad sinus issues and really bad allergies, and standing here for the last 25 minutes maybe, I'm getting an instant headache. I don't know about anyone else.
Yes.
The air quality here is horrible.
Yes.
It's horrible. We need a force.
Thank you.
Thank you. We need air quality testing. We need water quality testing. We need soil testing, because these things matter. This is the data. They like data. All of these people want data. They want to invert you with data, but we need data to push back at them.
Yeah.
We have issues in Newport where our soil is contaminated with arsenic. The Navy property land is contaminated with arsenic and asbestos and lead. And the city just bought it like the gem of the city. Like they want to make it some, fancy walkway for the tourists. We can't spend that kind of money in the state to waste on contaminated land. But this land is not healthy.
Yeah.
Just the air is not healthy here. So we really need to push that back. I mean, I know for years you've been pushing. I've been to many speaking. But this is, it's getting to the point where the environmental racism is blatant in this state.
Yes.
Our brown and black children are growing up with higher lead levels and lead poisoning, asthma, everything.
Yeah.
And these are the statistics that need to keep being thrown at them.
Yes.
Especially when some of us parents don't get free medical. So when our children get sick, that's now money coming out of our pockets for issues that could have been avoided if the environment was healthy.
Yes.
It is both public and part of public health is also environmental racism, right?
Yes.
So this is what we really need to push.
Yes.
When Boroughville wanted to do the power plant, my city said they didn't even want to vote against it. They were like, if it doesn't bring money or save Newport money, they wanted nothing to do with it. So I had to fight and fight and fight, and we end up in places like this, on the side of the road, in front of contaminated land, wondering what the hell happened. How did this get this way? Who allowed this? Who makes mixed-use residential areas? They're doing it in Newport. I live in the North End. They want to make us mixed-use residential area or gentrify us out. All these companies bring pollution. It's not bringing revenue, as Monica said. They're trying to say it brings revenue to the state. It does not bring anything to the state except health problems for our brown, black, and indigenous youth and elderly.
Yeah.
Our elderly, because this is why people have COPD. This is why people end up on oxygen, and they can't breathe. They can't breathe. So something really needs to be done. And Joy Boyer is my senator. I know her personally. She's cut me off since my testimony. She won't even talk to me. But I'm going to do everything in Newport to have her voted out.
Good.
When she was voted in, I knew her as a lawyer. When she was voted in, I was hoping she would be a progressive. She's not a progressive, and we don't need any more fake liberal centrists and moderates. We need progressives.
Yes.
We need people who are going to take this state and move it forward.
Yes.
Because we need green energy. Our coastline is shrinking. Everything's shrinking and everything's polluted. What the hell is that going to do for anybody?
Yeah, that's right.
It's not going to do anything. Like you said, my husband works at the Newport Yacht Club. A yacht club would be perfect here. That would bring revenue. That would bring programs for the black and brown children in this area. Teach them how to sail. Teach them how to water. Just water safety. So many kids don't even have that opportunity here.
Yeah.
And that's a shame because we're on the water.
Right.
So hopefully everybody can leave here doing a little bit of their own part, and it comes together for a cohesive movement, so that we can just tell them, you don't vote for these 3 bills, you don't help make this a progressive state, you're out.
Yes.
You're out. And
That's
it's
right.
not a threat, it's a promise.
That's
So Archibald
right.
can shove his threat up his ass.
Woo!